I admit some bad things happened in year 2020. Really? Some bad things? Terrible things happened in year 2020. But if you think on a cosmic level, everything bad happened on this tiny planet called Earth. Our solar system is pretty much unaffected. Rather opposite, this year is going well for our solar system because we have a new visitor, Comet Neowise. And right now, it is so close to Earth that we can even see it with naked eyes. This comet is visiting the Sun after almost 6,800 years. So although we are in the middle of pandemic, we can't miss this opportunity. In this video, I am going to tell you how to find this comet and how to take its pictures. Welcome to Comet Photography 101. So let's grab a tripod and a camera and go out. Now the reason camera didn't come in my hand because I am shooting with the same camera. Maybe I can switch this with a phone and a camera. Any camera will do as long as it has manual mode. Oh wait, I need this microphone to be connected to phone now. See Apple, that's why we need an earphone jack. Anyway, let's head out and I will show you everything on the go. Currently in northern hemisphere, you can see Comet Neowise just after the sunset for few hours. You can see it around 10 degrees up the horizon in northwest direction. So first thing what we have to do is find a place from where we have unblocked view of northwest direction. And secondly, of course, there should not be any city lights. The tail of comet is not that bright. So if you want to see it with naked eyes, it's better if you go somewhat outside the city. I came here to this huge ground with no lights. And that's the northwest direction. I came here a bit early to set up and of course to shoot this video. I have here Nikon D3200 with couple of lenses. One is just normal 18-52mm kit lens and one is 80-400mm telephoto lens. We will take pictures with both of them as both have their advantages and disadvantages. Now put your camera in manual mode, set ISO to very high value. I have kept it at 3200. Keep the aperture open as wide as possible, which means the lowest value over here, and set your shutter speed to around 2 seconds to 4 seconds. You can of course take few shots and then decide what will be the best shutter speed. I am keeping it around 2 seconds. At very low light, the camera will not be able to focus automatically, so switch your lens to manual focus and manually focus it on some light far away or use some bright star in the sky. Don't try to focus by looking at the comet because first of all, comet is kind of a blurry because of tail. So you will not able to judge the focus. At this shutter speed, you want your camera to be as steady as possible for those 2 seconds. Therefore use a timer so you avoid the shake due to touching the camera. Make sure your tripod is rock solid and all screws in the tripod are tight. And lastly, if there is a wind, stand behind the camera in such a way that you are blocking the wind directly hitting the camera. Now let's just wait for sunset. It's too dark now. We can see comet as well. So I will take pictures with different cameras and I will see you when I get back. Shoot was awesome. I got some really good pictures. And this was my first time shooting a comet. And it went really well. I was even able to take a selfie with comet. It's kind of late, but still this video has to come out quickly. Therefore I will have a cup of coffee and then start with editing. So let's see what we got now. This is the first picture. This is the first picture I took with a telephoto lens with all in zoom. So this is the maximum close-up I can get. There is some noise in the picture, but that is just unavoidable. We can do photo stacking as well to get rid of noise, but that is kind of a complicated process and not a topic of this video. In this video I am showing only pictures of single shutter. Now although this picture looks good, it doesn't have much photographic value because it's just a comet in a black background. So for that we have to add some objects in the foreground. That's why I tried to take some pictures with a tree in the foreground, and this adds little bit more photographic value to the picture. This one also you can see multiple trees. This is one of the picture where still some sunlight is leaking through the sky. That's why you get such a blue sky. This is my favorite photograph. So over here you can see the city as well and the comet as well. For this you need a lens which is wide angle. So this is taken from the kit lens. This we cannot take from telephoto. That's why I say all lenses have their own purpose. But in this comet is very small, so you have to see this image on a computer. If you are looking it on a mobile, it doesn't make much sense. Then again, some picture where still some light is leaking from the west. It is just after the sunset. Surprisingly, I was able to get a selfie with a comet. So I put my camera on a tripod, I just ran away a few meters in front of it and I took a picture. This is one more picture where I came little bit closer to the camera, and you can see over here I am not in focus. But still, this is a historic picture. Who cares if I am in focus or not? I got a selfie with comet. I always feel we kind of underestimate vertical frame, but I like vertical frames as well. So I took one picture with vertical frame. Everything is crystal clear in this picture. I just love this one. That's all the pictures I got. If you like this video, please like it on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.